Well, there aren't many things that have me excited to get out of bed at 4 a.m., but when it's waterfowl opener, it's different. There's something about the cold air, the anticipation, that moment before the sky comes alive. It's what keeps me coming back, season after season.
I also got toilet paper in a bag, if need be.
And now, we wait. There's a calm before it all starts. Just you, the blind, and the first light creeping over the horizon.
They know exactly where they're going.
I don't think so.
I think they went down the other side.
After about 2 hours with no bird sightings, you really start to wonder, did we miss something? Maybe the wind shifted, or the birds found another spot. Out here, nothing's guaranteed. It's all about timing, luck, and a whole lot of patience.
I think maybe they got a little bit weirded out by some object. They didn't really even look at the decoys much, except for when they landed and then kept looking straight that way. I can only trust my eyes and ears so much these days. Would they lift and then just go back down the other side of the boats? Yeah. Spalding East Shore. I mean, to keep up with. They're up and about somewhere.
Were you in your boat?
Oh. Okay.
I think we should change they've seen these decoys in the same spots a couple times. They're gonna put the hurting on these fucking ducks.
Something, man. I think this might be about what we want, though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see him.
I don't know, sir. I don't think we're gonna get much better than that. What do you think? Yeah? Just slowly walk. We don't need to hurry. Yeah, just slow.
On the first day, we managed to bring down 6 birds, a solid start, but the hunt's never just about one day. We pack up, reset, and get ready to do it all over again tomorrow. But for now, we hit the water again, searching for fresh spots and fresh birds. The work doesn't stop just because the shooting does. It's calmer today, and we've got the timing dialed in. No rush, just setting the blinds, sipping coffee, and waiting for the birds to show.
Yeah, I hear him. I don't see him though.
There's just something about being out here, just you and the landscape, the quiet, the sunrise, and the simple routine of it all. It's not just about the hunt, it's about being part of this world and connecting with it, where every sound matters and every moment counts.
After the first one, you'd think, careful when you lift it off. You might like throw it in the air because it's a paperweight.
I hunt with a 20. Well, here we are again.
Nice. Wolf.
Yeah.
That is.
The stoker
Is that even there, dude? Like, I don't. That's so light.
really light. Yeah.
Super light.
Oh, look at you with your fancy chokes.
I got the bastard.
Gallons in the back.
Oh, it's more than that, dude. Well,
100
more than
gallons.
50 gallons. It,
Guess you can fly.
I got him.
Nice. He's down. Nice shot, buddy.
I got him.
If you want to clean birds, buy a Benelli. If you want to clean your gun, buy something else.